Hi y'all, it's Kayla with Live Oak Nest. Welcome back to my home. So I know what you might be thinking. It's the middle of summer and it's way too soon to be thinking about fall. But I have decided to do Christmas in July this year to share with y'all some Christmas crafts and do a tour of my home from last year. And so before I did that, I wanted to share my fall home tour from this last fall. So I never got a chance to share this on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to go ahead and share it now, and hopefully it will give you some ideas and inspire you as you kind of start gathering ideas and DIYs and crafts for the fall season. So I'm not going to narrate this video, but if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below, and I will also link the blog in the description so that you can head on over and get a full list of all of the sources and links for the things that you see. I hope y'all have enjoyed my French Cottage Farmhouse fall home tour. We should be in our new house by fall this year, so I'm so excited to be able to decorate and share that with y'all. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to invite you to subscribe and follow along. I share French Cottage Farmhouse inspiration for budget-friendly decor, simple DIYs, and beautiful vignettes. Y'all take care, and I'll see you again next week.